Black end, put one light topaz, one red, and one light topaz. Crisscross with red end and pull. Black end put into the next bead, which is round jet black. Red end put two light topaz. Crisscross with black end and pull. Red end put into the next bead. Black end put 3 light topaz. Crisscross with red end and pull. Black end put into next 2 beads. Red end put 1 light topaz. Crisscross with black end and pull. Now black end put 4 light topaz. Crisscross with red end and pull. So you get like this. Black end put into next 3 beads. This one, the second one, this one, and the third one, this one. Red end put 1 light topaz. Crisscross with black end and pull. So get like this. Now black end put into next bead on the left. So right now you got 2 beads in the line. Black end put 3 light topaz. Crisscross with red end and pull. Black end put into next 2 beads. One more here. Red end put 1 light topaz. Crisscross with black end and pull. Red end put into the next bead, which is light topaz. Black end put 3 light topaz. Crisscross with red end and pull. Black end put into next 2 beads. One will be jet black and another one will be light topaz next to the mouth, the red one. Yes, this one. Red end put 1 light topaz and crisscross with black end and pull. So right now we should have 10 light topaz and 1 red on the top. Now black end will put into next bead on left. So we got 2 in the line. Black end put 2 light topaz. Crisscross with red end and pull. Black end put into the next bead, which is red, this one. Red end put 2 light topaz. Crisscross with black end and pull. Red end put into next 2 beads. Both will be light topaz. Black end put 1 light topaz. Crisscross with red end and pull. So get like this. Now we should have 9 light topaz on the top, like this. Black end put into next 2 beads. It's a little bit difficult, but you have to twist to push a little bit. This one and 1 more. This one. Red end put 1 light topaz. Crisscross with black end and pull. So right now we try to close the neck. Now black end put into the next bead on left. Black end put 2 light topaz. Crisscross with red end and pull. So right now we close the neck. Black end put into next 2 beads. 1 more. So we will tie 1 time at the neck, and we will not tie on the neck because we need to use this. We will pass red end into the next bead. Pass black end into next 3 beads. And then we tie knot over there. So right now we close her neck, and you will see these 3 beads. On the bottom is her neck. So after we tie, we pass into some bead and cut, and we finish her head. Thank you for watching, and see you next video.